Wait. Before you spend another dollar on expensive software, I need to show you something that's going to blow your mind. There are 12 AI tools that most people are keeping secret, and they're completely free alternatives to software that costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And by the end of this video, you'll have access to every single one of them. Let's dive in. Look, I've been testing AI tools for over 2 years now, and I've discovered something frustrating. While everyone's talking about the same expensive tools, there's this entire underground world of free alternatives that work just as well, sometimes even better. We're talking about replacing $300 Photoshop subscriptions, $50 per month video editors, $100 voiceover services, and even 1,000 plus design agencies. The question is, why isn't anyone talking about these? Well, today that changes. First up, everyone knows Canva Pro costs $15 a month, right? Well, meet Gamma AI. This is completely free and creates presentations, websites, and graphics using just text prompts. Watch this. I'll type, "Create a professional marketing presentation for a coffee shop." 30 seconds later, boom. Professional design that would take hours in Canva. Link in description, completely free, no credit card required. Tool number 2 is going to replace your Photoshop subscription, and Adobe is not happy about this. Photopea. It's literally Photoshop in your browser, completely free. Same interface, same tools, same capabilities. But here's the kicker. It runs on AI background removal, smart object detection. This just saved you $240 a year. You're welcome. Adobe Premiere costs $23 monthly. This next tool, $0. CapCut Desktop, not just the mobile app, the full desktop version. AI auto-captioning, AI voice cloning, AI background removal. I edited my last viral video entirely in this. Professional results, $0 cost. Voiceover artists charge $100 to $500 per project. This tool, free forever. ElevenLabs free tier gives you 10,000 characters monthly. That's roughly 20 minutes of voiceover. This is my voice, cloned in 30 seconds. Voice actors everywhere are panicking. Grammarly Premium costs $144 yearly. But why pay when you have this? Claude AI, not just for chatting, it's a writing powerhouse. Grammar checking, style improvement, content creation, better than Grammarly, and it's free. Design agencies charge $2,000 plus for branding. This tool does it in minutes. Brandmark AI, complete brand identity creation. Logo, business cards, social media assets. 30 seconds professional brand, $0 design skills needed. Shutterstock charges $29 monthly. This generates better images for free. Leonardo AI, unlimited image generation on free tier. Any style, any concept, photorealistic or artistic. Copyright-free, unique images instantly. PowerPoint costs $70 yearly. This makes better presentations automatically. Tome AI, just describe your presentation topic. It generates slides, finds images, writes content. Professional presentations in under 5 minutes. Music licensing costs hundreds. This creates original music for free. Suno AI, describe the mood, genre, instruments. It composes original music instantly. Royalty-free, commercial use, completely original. Google Translate Pro costs $20 monthly. This translates better and it's free. DeepL, more accurate than Google Translate. Supports 31 languages, context-aware translation. Professional translation quality, $0 cost. Zapier costs $20 plus monthly. This automates everything for free. Make.com free tier, 1,000 operations monthly. Connect any app to any app. Automate your entire workflow, no coding required. Google Analytics 360 costs $150,000 yearly. This gives you better insights for free. Plausible Analytics, privacy-focused, simple, powerful. Better insights than Google Analytics. No tracking cookies, GDPR compliant, completely free tier. Now here's the thing, and this is important. Some of these tools are increasing their prices soon. Gamma just announced they're limiting free features next month. Leonardo AI is considering paid-only tiers. The companies making expensive software are not happy about these alternatives. They're pressuring some of these platforms to limit free access. So if you want to lock in these free tools, you need to sign up now. Don't just take my word for it. Sarah from our community saved $2,400 this year using just 5 of these tools. Mark replaced his entire design team workflow with 3 of them. And the best part? Every single tool I showed you is linked in the description below. Look, you have 2 choices right now. You can keep paying hundreds or thousands for software that these free AI tools can replace, or you can take 30 minutes today and set up your free alternatives. If this video just saved you money, smash that subscribe button. I'm dropping a new hidden AI tool every week that most people don't know about. All 12 tools are linked below. And hey, if you set up even one of these tools, drop a comment and let me know which one you tried first. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to see more free AI tools, check out this video where I reveal how you can get VEO 3 for free and save up to $250 a month.